Hello students, I am Lalita as Humraskar, economics teacher, BYK College of Commerce. Welcome you in online lecture series organized by BYK College of Commerce, Nasik for class 11th. Today I am going to discuss with you chapter number 3, that is partition values. And today's contents are: number 1 is calculation of percentiles from individual data, number 2 calculations of percentiles from discrete data, and number 3 calculations of percentiles from continuous data. All of you know there are three types of partition values: quartiles, deciles, and percentiles. The quartile, deciles, and percentiles, they are based on median. All of you know what is a median. Median is a middlemost item in the series, which divide the series into two equal parts. Okay, so percentiles divides the series into 100 equal parts, and there are 99 points: P1, P2, P3, P5 up to P99, where P50 gives the value of median. So today I am going to discuss with you how to calculate percentiles from individual data, discrete data, and from continuous data. Let us see the first one, how to calculate percentiles from individual data with the help of example. So here example is given and you have to find out P40 for the following data. And what is data here? Numbers are given in the series 10, 15, 8, 16, 19, 11, 12, 14 and 9. So what is the first step here? You have to arrange the data in ascending order. Okay, so as per ascending order, first number should be 8, after that 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16 and 19. So what is the small n? Small n stands here total observations in the series. So what is the total observations in the series? That is 9. So n is equal to 9. Now you have to find out P40. So what is the formula for P40 here? So P40 is equal to size of 40 into bracket n plus 1 divided by 100 bracket close at observation. Right here. So in the next step, P40 is equal to size of 40 into bracket n means total observation, that is 9 plus 1 upon 100. Why we take here 100? Because percentiles divides the series into 100 equal parts. That's why we have to take here 100. So 9 plus 1 upon 100 bracket close at observation. In the next step, P40 is equal to size of 40 into 10 upon 100 bracket close at observation. In the next step, P40 is equal to size of 40 into 10 upon 100 bracket close at observation. In the next step, P40 is equal to size of 400 upon 100 bracket close at observation. So what is remain here? So P40 is equal to size of fourth observation. So how to find out fourth observation? So go to the ascending order data. So fourth observation in this data is 11. So P40 is equal to 11. Okay. So this is how to calculate percentiles from individual data. Now let us see next example, how to calculate percentiles from individual data. And here data is given. You have to calculate here P85 from the following data. And what is the data here? 79, 82, 36, 38, 51, 72, 68, 70, 64 and 63. So what is the first step here? You have to arrange the data in ascending order. So as per ascending order, first number should be 36, after that 38, 51, 63, 64, 68, 70, 72, 79, 82. So what is the n? Small n. Small n stands for your total observations in the series. So what is the total observation in the series here? 10. So n is equal to 10. Now you have to apply the formula for P85. So P85 is equal to size of 85 into bracket n plus 1 upon 100 bracket close at observation. In the next step, P85 is equal to size of 85 into bracket 10 plus 1 upon 100 bracket close at observation. Now in the next step, P85 is equal to size of 85 into bracket 11 upon 100 bracket close at observation. In the next step, P85 is equal to size of 85 into 0.11 bracket close at observation. So what we get, P85 is equal to size of 9.35th observation. So here fraction number comes. So what to do in this case? How to find out the P85 in this case? So in the next step, you have to apply the formula. So what is the formula here now? P85 is equal to size of 9th observation. Size of 9th observation plus 0.35 into bracket 10th observation minus 9th observation bracket close. So this formula you have to apply to find out P85. Now in the next step, P85 is equal to, what is the size of 9th observation? That is 79 plus 0.35 into bracket 10th observation, that is 82, minus 9th observation, that is 79 bracket close. In the next step, P85 is equal to 79 plus 0.35 into 3. So what we get, P85 is equal to 79 plus 1.05. So finally we get P85 is equal to 80.05. So what is the answer of P85? P85 is equal to 80.05. So this is a different example to find out the percentile from individual data. Now let us see the next one, second one, how to find out percentiles from discrete data. And here example is given and you have to find out P20 and P60 for the following data. And what is variable given here? Height in inches. Okay. In first row they given height in inches and in second row they given number of persons, that is known as a frequency. So what is your first step now? You have to arrange the data in ascending order. For that you have to arrange the data in vertical form. Why we have to arrange the data in vertical form? So that it is easy to understand. Okay, so in first column height in inches, that is 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64. So this is an ascending order. In the second column number of persons, that is frequency, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12, 2, 1. And what is the small n? N stands here total frequency. So small n is equal to 40. Okay, so third column you have to create, that is known as a cumulative frequency column, that is CF. You know how to find out the cumulative frequency. Okay, first number write as it is, that is 4, then 4 plus 5 9, 9 plus 6 15, 15 plus 10 25, 25 plus 12 37, 37 plus 2 39, and 39 plus 1 40. Okay, now first one is what you have to find out? You have to find out P20. Okay, so what is the formula to find out P20? P20 is equal to size of 20 into bracket n plus 1 upon 100 bracket close at observation. Okay, so in the next step, P20 is equal to size of 20, right, into bracket, what is the n? That is a total frequency, 40 plus 1 upon 100 bracket close at observation. So in the next step, P20 is equal to size of 20 into bracket 41 upon 100 bracket close at observation, right here. So in the next step, P20 is equal to size of into bracket 20 into 41 upon 100 bracket close at observation. In the next step, P20 is equal to size of 820 upon 100 bracket close at observation. So P60 is equal to size of 8.6 8 point second observation, right here. So P60 is equal to size of 8 point second observation. So how to find out now size of 8 point second observation? For that you have to go to the cumulative frequency column. So where 8.2 number comes, that it lies in the CF is equal to 9 with corresponding value of X is equal to 59. So what is the answer for P20? P20 is equal to 59. Okay. Now after that what you have to find out? You have to find out P60. You have to calculate P60. So what is the formula for P60? P60 is equal to size of 60 into bracket n plus 1 upon 100 bracket close at observation. In the next step, P60 is equal to size of 60 into bracket 40 plus 1. What is the total frequency? That is N 40. 40 plus 1 upon 100 bracket close at observation. In the next step, P60 is equal to size of 60 into bracket 41 upon 100 bracket close at observation. So in the next step, P60 is equal to size of 60 into 41 divided by 100 bracket close at observation. So in the next step, P60 is equal to size of 2460 upon 100 bracket close at observation. So what is remain? P60 is equal to size of 24.6th observation. So how to find out size of 24.6th observation? For that you have to go to the cumulative frequency column. So where 24.6 number comes, it lies in the CF is equal to 25 with corresponding value of X is equal to 61, right here. So hence P60 is equal to 61. Understood here? So P20 is equal to 59 and P60 is equal to 61. This is how to calculate percentiles from discrete data. Now let us see third one, how to calculate percentiles from continuous data. And here example is given. Continuous data means how to calculate percentiles from group data. Right here, and here example is given and you have to find out P65 from the following data. Okay, in the first row they given marks of the student, that is in the form of class interval or groups, that is 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20 and 20 to 25. In the second row they given number of student, that is frequency, and they are 3, 7, 20, 12, 8. So what is your first step? You have to arrange the data in ascending order. Okay, now let us see. In the next table they given here in the first column they given marks, that is 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20 and 20 to 25. In the second column they given number of student, that is frequency 3, 7, 20, 12, 8. And after that you have to create cumulative frequency column. Okay, less than type. How to find out cumulative frequency? You know very well. Write first number as it is, that is 3, 3 plus 7, 10, 10 plus 20, 30, 30 plus 12, 42, 42 plus 8, 50. Okay, so what is the total frequency here? That is total students here. So that is denoted by small n. So small n, that is total frequency, is equal to 50. Now, you have to find out what here P65. Before finding out the value of P65, you have to determine the class. You have to determine the percentile class for P65. Now, how to determine the class for P65? You have to apply your formula, that is P65 is equal to size of into bracket 65 into n upon 100 bracket close at observation. In the next step, P65 is equal to size of into bracket 65 into 50. 50 means total frequency divided by 100 bracket close at observation. In the next step, P65 is equal to size of 3250 divided by 100 bracket close at observation. In the next step, P65 is equal to size of 32.5th observation, right here. So how to find out size of 32.5th observation? For that, you have to go to the cumulative frequency column where 32.5 number comes. It lies in the CF is equal to 42 with corresponding value of x is equal to 15 to 20. So what is a percentile class here? Percentile class is here 15 to 20. This is how to determine percentile class for P65. Okay, now find out L. What is the lower limit of the percentile class? That is 15. What is the frequency here? 12. What is cumulative frequency? You have to take the cumulative frequency of the preceding class, that is 30. What is the total frequency? That is 50. And what is the class size? That is H is equal to 5. Now finally apply the formula to find out the P65. So what is the formula here? P65 is equal to L plus into bracket 65N into N upon 100 minus CF divided by frequency bracket close into H. H stands here class size. In the next step, fill up the values. Now P65 is equal to 15, that is a lower limit of the percentile class. 15 plus into bracket 65 into 50 upon 100 minus 30 divided by 12 bracket close into 5. 5 means here class size. Okay, so in the next step, P65 is equal to 15 plus into bracket 3250 divided by 100 minus 30 divided by 12 bracket close into 5. In the next step, P65 is equal to 15 plus into bracket 32.5 minus 30 divided by 12 bracket close into 5. In the next step, P65 is equal to 15 plus into bracket 2.5 upon 12 bracket close into 5. In the next step, P65 is equal to 15 plus 2 into bracket 2.5 into 5 divided by 12 bracket close. In the next step, P65 is equal to 15 plus into bracket 12.5 divided by 12 bracket close. In the next step, now P65 is equal to 15 plus 1.04, and final answer for P65 is 16.04. So P65 is equal to 16.04. This is how to calculate percentiles from continuous data or group data. So student, what I discussed with you today, how to calculate percentiles from individual data. Number 2, how to calculate percentiles from discrete data. And number 3, how to calculate percentiles from continuous data. Students, solve more and more examples given in your textbook. Okay. And finally, thank you for listening my video lecture.